Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to show you how to fix media files appears to be missing on WhatsApp. You can see when someone sends you a media file on WhatsApp, due to some reasons it could not go through your file or folder and it says a prompt message. Here you can see on the computer screen the error message says, "Sorry, this media file does not exist. Please ask the person to resend it." But there's a way you can get this all the media file without requesting the sender to send you again. There's a few methods you can try it from your end, and this is very simple and easy. Now here's the first way. You need to go on the settings. Now go on the mobile networks and SIM card. You can choose any one of the preferred network you have. Click on that. Now directly go on the access point names. Here you need to do one thing, that you need to just reset. You can see here it says reset default APN settings completed. Now go back. Now you can search over your carrier name. Type down over your CARRIER. Now click on search. Now here it is, you can come up on the mobile networks. You need to just turn it off for a while. Now you need to here wait for at least 6 seconds. Now you can see your preferred network. Here you need to turn it on. Okay, you're done. So once you're done, you need to just close that all. Directly go to the WhatsApp. On the setting bar, you can see here it says storage and data. Here it is. Now you can see when connected on Wi-Fi, here all of them are checked. So you need to turn that off. Now click on OK. In the same way you need to go when using mobile data, you need to check all of them. Now click on OK. Once you're done, you can restart your mobile phone. So once you turn on your mobile phone, you need to go to Play Store. Now type over your WhatsApp. So you need to check over here. If there is any update pending over here, you need to click on update. Hope this will fix your problem. Now on the next method, now again go to the settings. Now type down over your application manager. Now click on search. Here you can see the list of application which is running on your mobile phone. Now you need to find WhatsApp. You can easily find on the search bar as well. It says. Now you can get here the list of options. You need to go on the app permissions. Click on storage. Now here you can see it says storage access for this app. You need to check on allow. Now go back and you're done. Hope this will resolve the problem. If still problem persists, I will give you one more tip. Go to settings. Now type over here airplane mode. You need to turn it on and wait for a while, then turn it back off again. This is very basic thing, but you need to perform. If still the problem is not getting solved, then I am going to tell you the last trick. You need to go to WhatsApp, uninstall it. But before that, you need to take all the backup of your chat and the media files. You need to go on the settings. On the chat bar, you can get the chat backup option. Here you can see the button, it says backup. You need to click on that and take all the necessary backups. Then uninstall the WhatsApp and reinstall it. I hope with this 4-zone method, the WhatsApp error will be solved.